Hello there, in this video I will walk you through the application code and demonstrate the live working demo of the code. So let's first go to the server folder. We have some controllers where we are going to have the functions to interact with the database. Then we have the middlewares and models defining the structure of the data, and server is in the index.js file. So oh, in order to run the server, but first we need to go to the server file, and then we have to run the start command. Okay, after executing the start command, the application is going to connect to the MongoDB and it will start the server immediately. So after running the server, we need to go to the client folder. So I have opened up the terminal for that. Then I have to change to the client directory. Then I have to run the command npm run dev to start the client side code. As you can see, the code got executed and it is pointing us to this URL. So let's copy this URL and go to the browser. Okay, let me paste the URL that is okay let me paste the URL that I just copied from the terminal and hit enter. So it's loading, and as you can see, this is the application that we got from the code that we wrote in the VS Code. So let me now walk you through the features of this application. But first, it suggests us to log in to interact with the employee data. Let me hit the login. I have already provided some username and password which is included in the database. Let me hit the submit button. As you can see, it just logged in us, and here in the application we can uh, create the new user by going to this form. Let's create some, say, test employee, and give some email and provide some random mobile number. Okay, I think okay, it's now it is correct. So let's select a designation as something, and let's select the gender and course. Let's submit the employee data. As you can see, the new instance of the data was created in our database. And suppose if we want to see the list of all created employees, then what we can do is we can go to the list of the employees over here in the navigation button, just to see this one, the one that we created, with the name test employee. Let's look for that in our list. Yeah, yep, it's here. As you can see, it was just created now, and now it's appearing in the list of the employees that we are looking for. So in this list, what we can do is we can edit the currently existing employee data. So for that, we can hit edit button, and okay, we can change the name, email, or mobile number, or anything like that. Let's change the mobile number to 9999 just for the sake of easier identification. Let's submit. Then we get a toast message saying that we successfully updated the user, and likewise we can also you delete the particular employee data. You are seeing that the mobile number got changed from 123 something to 9999. Suppose if we want to delete this user or this employee, we can hit the delete button, and we just saw that particular employee was deleted and the list got updated. And finally, these two pages were there to log in and log out the administrator. Let me hit the logout button over here. Okay, now we just logged out from the application. Then if suppose if you try to access any of the protected routes, so then we cannot do that. So here it's showing that this pop-up 2 times because we are running in the strict mode, in the development mode. So that will not be an issue in the production mode. So yeah, that's it in this application, and thank you very much.